Welcome to my DTech channel. So now I am going to teach about what is democracy, and this chapter will come according to the 2020 syllabus. So this is from 9th class, and I am going to teach about what is democracy and why democracy. Listen fast. So I am making some points because as it has been elaborated so vastly that it is very difficult to remember. So I am just making some points and notes so that it will be easy for the students to remember. First point, I am saying that what is democracy. First point, there are two kinds of country. One is democratic, another one is non-democratic. Second point is that under non-democratic, the country like Chile, Poland and Ghana that comes. Third point is that why they all comes under non-democratic. Fourth is that the country that work for the development of the people without any dictator is called democratic. Next point, discussion between Lingdu madam and the students, particularly Mary. Seventh point, Mary in the first discussion, she said, why should we define democracy where it is not necessary to define a cop mobile is. Okay, so next onwards, next point is that here in return, Lingdu madam said, while we do not understand and the word, in that case we use and also we work for the definition. And so many students also they were arguing and talking with Lingdu madam related to the democracy. So I'm making some points, also I'm narrating that points elaborately. So listen first. There are two kinds of country, one is democratic and another one is non-democratic. Listen that. So in the earlier chapter I have also said that there are so many countries they are following the democratic pattern of society, and they are called as the democrats because the leaders that have been selected and elected by the people. Those leaders, they have been selected and elected by the people directly or indirectly. So these countries are called as the democratic country, and where the dictators ruled, that means for example like Chile, Poland and Ghana, these are the countries where the dictators, either the dictators or any of the leaders, what they are saying that is final, because they are ruling the people by themselves. Here the people are not ruled by themselves, so we can't say these countries are democratic. Okay, so now the point is that how to differentiate what is actually truly democracy and what is actually the truly what is non-democracy. That is okay, it's very difficult to differentiate because the same people in a monarchical administration, the same people, they are obeying an individual. In democracy they are also obeying the individual, but the differentiation is that in democracy the people, they have been ruled by themselves. Here in monarchical state, here the kings gave an order, right? So this is called as what your democracy. And they're also saying that the country that work for the development of the people without any dictator is called democracy. The second, this is the point that where the leaders, they are very much worried about the people, they are very much worried about the development of the people, and you know that, so these countries are called as what your democratic country. And related to the topic, so one Lingdu madam is there. Afterwards, according to the book, it is saying that Lingdu madam is discussing about the democracy with the students, and the students, they were asking many questions related to the democracy, and that's why Lingdu madam also gave some answer, and also she gave some solution to the question. So now the point is that I'm just reading out the text once again. What do you think is common to them? Why do we club them all under the label of democracy? What is that distinguishes these governments from Pinchot's rule in Chile, communist rule in Poland, or the later period of no man's rule in Ghana? What do these governments have in common with the military rule in Myanmar? So somehow some of the country, they are following the military rules, Some of the country they are following the dictators rules, some of the country they are also following the monarchical pattern of the state or monarchical pattern of the rules. So now it is very difficult to differentiate what is actually the real democracy. Okay, so that's why Lingdu madam taken discussion with the students. Thank you. So in the next video I'll also analyze the next chapter. If you please, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to give to like and to share the video. Thank you.